Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by crafting the rod. Use 3 iron ingots arranged in a vertical column at a crafting table, then pick a high, exposed spot. Once done, place the rod on the topmost block of your roof or tower so it sits above nearby structures. This reduces accidental fires. Make sure to leave space around it. Avoid placing the rod directly over wooden interiors. You want lightning to hit the rod instead of your builds, so prioritize height and clear line of sight to the sky. Once the rod is placed, you may route redstone from its base to trigger alarms or mechanisms when struck. Lightning produces a short redstone pulse. You should run dust to a comparator or repeater chain if you need extended duration. Repeaters lengthen the pulse. Comparators detect subtle changes. Make sure all wiring is insulated from flammable materials. Use stone or glass blocks to host circuits. Test by summoning a thunderstorm with a command or wait for natural storms to verify the connection and timing. You finish by double-checking that the rod is unobstructed vertically and at sufficient height. Lightning favors the highest point. If you see no strikes, make sure the world weather is a thunderstorm. Lightning won't occur during clear or rainy-only weather. If a strike causes unintended fires, replace nearby wood with stone or surround the rod with water channels to extinguish flames. This prevents spread. Finally, if redstone didn't trigger, inspect connections and add more repeaters to match time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.